In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a divider component in Figma. Material Design Divider. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frame or screen where the divider will live. You can make a divider with either the rectangle tool shortcut R or the line tool shortcut L. Click and drag to draw a straight horizontal line across your canvas. If you want a perfectly level line, hold Shift while you drag. Both tools work well. Using a rectangle gives you a solid fill, while a line uses a stroke. The key is getting a thin, even rule that reads as a divider, rather than a bold boundary. With the shape selected, look to the design panel on the right. Set the height to 1 pixel or 1 density. Independent pixel if you are designing for Android. This is the standard thickness that keeps the divider subtle yet visible. Next, set the width to match the space it should span. For example, 360 pixels is common for a standard mobile screen width. If your frame is wider, simply match that value so the divider stretches the full intended width edge to edge. Now, style the divider so it doesn't compete with your content. Set the fill color to a light gray if you used the rectangle tool. If you used the line tool, apply that light gray to the stroke instead. Aim for a gentle contrast that provides separation without drawing attention. Think of it as a whisper line that organizes information quietly. To make the divider flexible when layouts change, go to the Constraints section in the Design panel. Set the horizontal constraint to left and right, or choose Scale. Both options allow the divider to stretch proportionally when the component or frame is resized, so you won't need to constantly adjust widths as your design evolves. Once you are happy with the look and behavior, duplicate it so you can reuse the same divider consistently throughout your project. Place your divider instances within frames or sections alongside other content, sliding them between list items, form fields, or stacked components to create clear visual groupings. As you rearrange content, those constraints will keep each divider aligned and responsive. That's it. Thanks for watching.